So after power washing all the parts in part 12, I'm ready to go ahead and finish restoring the part I call the tub. Before we start, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. So let's get rolling on the tub. After it dried overnight, I decided it was dry enough to finish the job. The tub has a small amount of rust on the back, but thankfully it's just surface rust. So I'm going to start by using steel wool to get the rest of the corrosion and grime off. Now that I've cleaned it up with steel wool, there's a ton of dust everywhere. So I'm going to use another product by the chemical guys. It's called the Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. This should collect everything left over. This is going to take forever by hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my die grinder. All cleaned up and ready to paint, so let's get to it. So with that being said, I'm going to grab my paint. I'm going to try this Rust-Oleum cold galvanizing compound. Now I'm probably wrong here, but this is galvanized steel, and I saw this, so I thought it would work good with this. Now I took it out back to give it a good coat of paint. So after a very thick and windy coat of paint, this thing looks 1,000 times better. Now that this is all done, it's getting me excited to see what the cabinet will look like when it's all done. Thanks for watching part 13. If you like my video, make sure you come back to watch the rest of the series. Thanks for watching.